Hey everyone! Welcome back to Health Secrets Unlocked. I'm Amelia, your sleep-obsessed host who thinks bedtime should be a national holiday.
And I'm Liam, the guy who counts sheep, snacks, and sometimes my regrets instead of actually sleeping.
Same here, buddy. So today's episode hits close to home. We're talking about how to sleep when you've got insomnia or anxiety.
Yes, my two favorite late-night companions. Anxiety and insomnia, they just love showing up at 2 a.m. like, hey bro, remember that embarrassing thing you did in 2014?
Exactly. But here's the thing, not sleeping well isn't just annoying. It's dangerous. Lack of sleep messes with your heart, brain, mood, pretty much every system in your body.
Right, and the crazy part, even losing just 1 hour of sleep, like during daylight saving time, can make heart attack risk jump by 25% the next day. That's insane.
Yup. And when people get that extra hour of sleep and fall, heart attacks drop by 22%. So yeah, sleep literally saves lives.
So, for anyone who's been scrolling TikTok at 3 a.m., this episode's your wake-up call. Or, actually, your sleep call.
Perfectly said. Today, we'll share how to calm your mind, balance your breathing, reset your body's natural rhythm, and even try a military sleep technique that helps soldiers pass out in war zones.
That's right, if it can work with bombs going off, it can probably work for your noisy upstairs neighbor.
Let's dive in. Why sleep matters more than you think.
So here's the deal, our bodies are basically biological machines. Every night, they need to reboot, repair, and reorganize.
Exactly. Think of sleep like hitting the system update button. While you're out cold, your brain clears waste, your muscles rebuild, and your memories get filed in the right drawers.
And when you skip sleep, it's like running your computer nonstop. It overheats, lags, and eventually, crash. That's why chronic sleep loss raises your risk for heart disease, stroke, even Alzheimer's.
Speaking of that, one study showed that even a 1% drop in deep sleep can raise your risk of brain diseases by 27%. Yikes.
So yeah, folks, Netflix will still be there tomorrow. Your neurons might not.
Okay, let's break this down. There's something called your circadian rhythm, fancy word, simple meaning. It's your body's internal clock that tells you when to sleep, wake up, eat, and even when to feel energetic.
It's like your body's built-in schedule manager, except it doesn't send calendar invites.
Right. During the day, sunlight hits your eyes and tells your brain to make cortisol, the wake-up hormone. At night, when it gets dark, your brain releases melatonin, the sleepy hormone.
So if you're doom scrolling in bed with your phone's blue light blasting your face, you're basically telling your brain, hey, it's still noon.
Exactly. Then you wonder why you're staring at the ceiling thinking about your 5th grade crush. The best sleep tips, backed by science tips.
Alright, Amelia, I've got my notebook. Hit me with the good stuff. How do I actually fall asleep?
Tip number 1, sleep on your right side.
Wait, I thought left side was better. That's what my grandma said.
Grandma's sweet, but science says otherwise. Your heart's on the left side and your liver's on the right. When you sleep on your right, it keeps your heart relaxed and makes breathing easier, especially for people with anxiety or mild sleep apnea.
So right side equals relaxed heart, better breathing, sweet dreams. Got it.
Exactly. Now, tip number 2, fix your breathing pattern. When we're stressed, our breathing gets shallow and fast. That tricks your brain into thinking you're in danger.
Which means your body's like, fight or flight, instead of rest and digest.
Bingo. So here's a simple trick, inhale slowly for 4 seconds, exhale slowly for 4 seconds. Keep it balanced. Do that for a few minutes before bed, and your nervous system starts to chill out.
That's like a mini spa for your brain. I love it.
Exactly. It's science and self-care rolled into one.
Okay, next tip.
Go to bed around 10 p.m., seriously. Your body has a natural sleep wave that peaks between 10 and 10:30. If you miss it, you might end up lying awake for another 90 minutes waiting for the next one.
Oh, so that's why when I ignore that first wave of sleepiness, I suddenly feel wide awake an hour later.
Exactly. You basically surfed right past your bedtime wave.
Dang. So my body's a surfer and I've been missing the waves.
Pretty much. So try being in bed before 10, even if you're not asleep yet. Just being in that calm state helps your body sync with your natural rhythm.
What your heartbeat can tell you. 1010.
Alright, now here's something people don't talk about much. Your resting heart rate can reveal a lot about your sleep and stress levels.
Interesting. So, what's a normal resting heart rate?
For most healthy adults, it's between 60 and 70 beats per minute. But if yours is consistently higher, say in the 80s, that can mean your body's short on potassium, or you're just under chronic stress.
Potassium, like the stuff in bananas.
Exactly. Green leafy veggies, avocados, and yes, bananas are great sources. Potassium helps relax your heart muscles and calm your body, making it easier to fall asleep.
So the next time someone says eat your greens, they're actually saying sleep better tonight.
Pretty much. And one more thing, high sugar intake can also mess with potassium balance. So if you're eating a lot of sweets, it might be messing with your sleep too.
So no late night donuts. Got it. Sighs dramatically.
Sorry, Liam. It's for your heart's sake.
Okay, what's next? Please tell me it's something fun.
Oh, it is. Massage therapy. Even a quick massage before bed can drop your stress hormones and boost relaxation.
Now we're talking. So you're saying I can literally massage myself into dreamland?
Exactly. You can use a massage gun or just your hands. Focus on the back of your neck and shoulders, that's where a lot of tension builds up. Also, gentle pressure on your lower back can calm your adrenal glands, those are the ones that pump out stress hormones.
So this is like a DIY stress switch. Turn it off and drift off.
Yep. 10 minutes of massage before bed and you'll feel like melted butter.
To self, invest in a massage gun, or find a friend who owes me a favor.
Okay, ready for the secret sauce.
Always.
It's called the military sleep method. Soldiers use it to fall asleep anywhere, even in loud, stressful environments.
Perfect for people with anxiety or racing thoughts. How's it work?
Step 1, relax your face completely, jaw, eyes, tongue. Step 2, drop your shoulders, let your arms hang heavy. Step 3, exhale slowly and relax your chest. Step 4, imagine something peaceful, like lying in a hammock under a warm sun, or floating on a calm lake. Step 5, if thoughts pop up, say to yourself, don't think. Don't think. Do this for about 2 minutes, and boom, out like a light.s.
I'm falling asleep just listening to that.
Then it's working. Alright, let's do a little recap, but quiz style.
Oh boy, pop quiz time. Let's go.
Question 1, what side should you sleep on?
Right side, for the win.
Nice. Question 2, how many seconds should you take to inhale and exhale in balanced breathing?
4 in, 4 out. Easy peasy.
Good job. Question 3, what's that natural body clock called?
Circadian rhythm, finally something I remember from high school science.
You're crushing it. Last one, what's one natural source of potassium that helps you sleep better?
Bananas, because even my bedtime snacks gotta multitask.
Perfect score. You officially graduated sleep school.
Alright folks, that's a wrap. If you've been struggling with insomnia or anxiety, remember, small habits lead to big sleep wins.
Absolutely. Whether it's breathing right, hitting the bed by 10, or adding some greens to your plate, your body will thank you.
And hey, if this episode helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe to Health Secrets Unlocked, and share this with that one friend who texts, "I can't sleep every night."
We all have that friend. Until next time, sleep well, dream big, and stay healthy.
Good night, everyone, or good morning, if you're still awake.
Either way, go get some rest.